Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Valorant VAN9001 TPM 2.0 error in Windows. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, first, let's confirm if your system supports TPM or not. So what you do is simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run panel, and then simply type tpm.msc, as you can see right here. Then hit Enter. A new window will pop up in front of you. If you see a section called @TPM ready, and the version is 2.0, that's perfect. If not, it's likely disabled in your BIOS. We need to enable that function first. Now from here on out, the real fix begins. First, you'll need to reboot into your BIOS or UEFI settings of your computer. So what you have to do is simply right-click on your Start menu, then go to Settings. Now, inside the Settings panel, simply search for Recovery, and then hit Enter. And now go to the Recovery option, and over here in the Advanced Startup option, simply click on Restart Now. And then after doing that, this will immediately restart your PC. And so make sure you save any open files before clicking on this button. Now, once you click on this button, your PC will start restarting and will open on a blue page, which will look something like this. Now over here, simply click on Advanced Options, and under Advanced Options, the next thing that you have to choose is UEFI Firmware Settings. Now, once you click on this option, if your computer immediately restarts and enters the BIOS, you can move on to the next step. If not, click on the Restart option and select BIOS Setup, which will restart your computer into the BIOS. Now, once you're inside the BIOS, just look for an option called Security or Advanced or Trusted Computing. You can also find options like TPM PTT on Intel or FTPM for AMD, and make sure to set them to Enabled. And as you can see right here, in my computer, the option is inside the Advanced panel and in Trusted Computing. And then all you have to do is simply click on Security Device and then choose Enable. The moment you enable that, a new type of option will appear at the very bottom, which is TPM 2.0 interface. So what you'll do is simply click on that and choose TPM 2.0, and then simply save the BIOS, usually by pressing F10, or simply go to the Settings option of the BIOS and simply save and restart. Choose that option. And then once you're back inside Windows, simply open your Valorant, and it should detect the TPM and Secure Boot correctly. And the game should start automatically without any type of error. Now, depending on your motherboard brand like Asus, MSI, Gigabit, or Dell, BIOS layout can look different, but the TPM and Secure Boot settings will always be the same, and they should always be under Security or Advanced Settings. So take your time to find the exact settings and enable them. And if you are unable to find the TPM option, you can simply Google it directly. For example, go to a browser and simply search a TPM for Gigabyte motherboard, and then it'll automatically show you. You can click on the Images section to find the exact place where the TPM option is available for you, which you can see right here, for example. So all you have to do is simply search it if you're unable to find that. So that's it. You have just fixed your Valorant error by enabling your TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Now you're ready to jump back into your game without that annoying pop-up. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.